So when you are planning marketing, let me actually get y'all to look at a whiteboard. When you are planning marketing, you have to know what you're looking at as far as what you're trying to sell. Like, you can't just say, I want to go sell 50 products. The marketing that you do have to statistically, and your analytics have to show you that you can sell those 50 products. Okay. It doesn't just happen by chance. Your marketing, if this your ads, your emails, your post on Instagram, all go back into you trying to sell those 50 products. How many people are you reaching? So let's take a step back. Like I said, let's say if you're in a store and you're trying to sell, you're trying to sell some candy to some kids or whatever. If you aren't reaching, if there's no kids in the store, then you can't sell the candy. But if there's 10 kids in the store, then you can only sell 10 pieces of candy. But if all of them don't buy from you, then you can only sell the amount of people that's going to buy from you. So for example, if you are looking to sell, if your product, let's say your product is $10, like we said with the ebook, and our goal is to make $500, then that means I need to reach 50 people. That's my golden number. 50 is my golden number. 50 people need to buy from me so I can sell my $10 ebook so I can make $500. Okay? Did everybody, let me look at the chat. Did everybody get that part? Let me get some thumbs up if we understand that part so far. Thumbs up, yes, no. Okay. Do we all get the math for that? Okay, cool. So for me to get, now everybody that comes to your website, okay, let's look at my product sales it's from the 26th to the 9th. Let's look at them we went super hard the last part of March. So from that part, look at this, build your social media overnight. 5,000 people viewed my page. That means 5,000 people clicked my link and seen this landing page. They looked at it, they seen what I was doing. So for you, y'all can't see? Hold on. Can y'all see now? Y'all can see now? Okay. So let me go back. I was saying 5,000 people viewed my page. So that means 5,000 people actually came to the page and looked around, sniffed around, and said, I may want it, I may not, right? But I only received 399 orders. Okay? So that means my conversion rate is at 7.71%. That's 339 divided by 5175, which gives you 7.71%. Y'all feeling me? Y'all got me? Let me see some yeses. Okay? So once I figured out what my conversion rate is, I'm using a conversion rate of 10 because on average, for y'all, that's a good number. Like, it's easy to do the math, basically. Y'all can see on some of my products, 7.1%. On this product, it converted at 14.14%. This product was 9.22%. This product was 28%. It just depends on what the strategy was and what the page looked like and all of those things. That's when I tell y'all that everything that you do it's not every person that comes to your page. So a lot of people hit me up and be like, I'm getting the views, I'm getting the views, I'm getting the views, but I'm not getting the sales. Well, you didn't know that to get one sale for me, I had to send them an ad. I had to post again. They had to see me come on their timeline 7 to 10 times before they actually made a purchase with me. Okay? So don't be discouraged if you're seeing views. That means now you have pixels and you have people that you can track to get their emails, to get their, now you can start your marketing funnel. But if you don't have nobody even viewing your stuff, then we have to go back and start our marketing funnel. Okay? So if you be consistent and showing up on your feed, if you're sending them ads, engagement ads in the back end, if you're doing all of those things so they are consistently seeing you after they already came to your page, then on the second time they're gonna come and look at something else. Then on the third time they're gonna come and put it in their cart and then they're gonna leave. Like, you just need to have all of your marketing systems set up. Now, once they become a customer and they love your product, it's very easy to keep a return customer if your product is good. Your return customer is the cheapest person that you can market to. But a new customer, you got to keep marketing to. You got to keep posting. You got to do ads. They just got to keep seeing you, right? And think about you and your buying behavior as a customer. So going back to the whiteboard to show you guys what I was talking about, we have to reach 50 people. Well, on average, if our conversion rate is 10%, if you don't know what your conversion rate is, like I said, go into your analytics and start actually trying to figure it out. If you want to use a base conversion rate of 10% while you're trying to figure it out, that is fine. So we use a base conversion rate of 10%, then that means I need to reach 500 people. How did I get that number? That was 50 times, when you do 10%, you just move the number back. So 5 times 10 equals 500. So that means I need to reach 500 people. 500 people need to click my page. And 50 people need to buy. All right? So for me, if we're going to stick with the same conversion rate, y'all following me? This is where the third step is. If we're going to keep with the same conversion rate, how do I get my pen back? I have no idea. I think I can only type now. Okay, so I'm just going to type now. So if I am I need 500 people to come to that product page. I need 500 people to look at the product, smell the product, see what's going on with the product, so I could at least get my conversion of 50 people. So what does that mean? I'm still only converting at 10%. So that means I need to get I'm going to do the same thing. I need 500 times 10 equals 5,000. So overall, my marketing needs to reach 5,000 people. Okay? Do y'all understand how I got there? How do I go? Did we understand how I got there? Yes? We good? Okay. So that means when I'm doing my marketing, I know I need to reach 5,000 people. Just to make $500, I need to reach 5,000 people. So now I'm going to start doing my marketing tree. I'm going to run ads. I'm going to do some posts. Let's say I'm going to do emails. I'm going to do an influencer post. Right? So now I'm mapping out how I'm going to do my marketing. Okay? So then from there, I'm going to say, okay, my influencer post is only going to get me about 1,000 views. But if I do it 2 times, then I could get 2,000 views. My emails, I only got 50 people on my email list. Let's say we got 100 people on our email list. On average, 50 of them open it. So I am looking at about 50 people going to click my link, and I'm going to send them out 5 times. So that's 250 people. Then when I post, my reach is about 300 people. I'm kind of running out of room. So that means I'm going to post, like, let's say I post 5 times. So that's 1,500. So now we at our ads. So far we got 1,500 plus 250 plus 2,000. So that's 2, 3, 350, 375. Okay? So if I need 5,000, then y'all see where I'm saying where planning will help you. That means you didn't reach. You thought you was reaching the 5,000 people, but you didn't do enough to reach the 5,000 people. So that means when I run my ads, I need to at least reach 1,200 people. So I can at least try to convert in my 10% rate. Okay?